Hey everyone, and welcome to Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Today we're going to be doing a little mini haul that I got from Five Below. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, we are doing a little mini haul from Five Below online. If you do not know, you can go to their physical store, or you can always check online to see what kits they have. When I can't find a kit at a store, I'll go online, and they usually have the kits that I'm looking for on there. But for these past few months, like Valentine's Day, was not on there, so I don't know what happened. So I found all those 4 kits the day of Valentine's Day, and so I had to punch those out real quick. But yeah, so if there are any requests to do kits and you don't want to wait for me to get them myself, go ahead and take a clear image of the instructions and then shoot it over via email. Or I have Instagram, and I can help you out with that. Okay, so it's only 4 kits, and I'm going to show them to you now. We have egg-cellent. How cute is that? I have chick-a-dee. This has been a request, so I'm going to have to do that in the mix of my other requests. And then we have Bunny Boo, and Bunny Boo had also been a request, and I'll have to add these 2 to my request list. It is quite long, so get yourself in there before it's next year. Anyway, so those are the 3 that I'm going to add to the additional. The last haul I did, I had a lot of them, so I was in a lull. I wasn't finding anything for a couple months there, and I was like, this is kind of great because then I get a little break. But then I was a little worried. I was like, well, you know, I need more content, so where are these kits? And lo and behold, they were all there in the store. But anyway, this is a kit that I found online, and I'm not quite sure if I'm going to make this one or if I'm going to put it in a giveaway. So I'm assuming that this company is called Avec, which if it's French, it means with. This is the Easter Crochet Basket Crochet Kit. You can type it up online, and then it says acrylic yarn, crochet needle, darning needle, interesting, and instructions. So it makes 1 basket, complete DIY set. Very pretty box, very hefty box. This is the first that I've seen from them, although they do have the tiny bag kits, and they have a sturdy box as well. But this is what it's looking like. So leave a comment below. Click that like button if you like any of these kits here, but comment below if you'd like to see this in a giveaway. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers on my pilot channel, if this is on my pilot channel, I'm going to be holding a giveaway. It's going to be a massive, not a massive, but it's going to be a decently sized giveaway with a lot of kits. So I'm just going to throw these in there. There aren't going to be any knitting kits though. So if you're a knitter, you probably, you know, even if you're interested in crocheting, go ahead, enter. But if you're not a knitter, you know, it's probably not for you. I don't know. We'll see. Comment below too if you would like to see some knit kits in the giveaway, because I can just go on Five Below and quickly click on that and get some kits for you guys to add into the giveaway. I think I said giveaway like a million times. Anyway, so that is the mini haul, you guys. We have the 3 knit kits and then the 1 Easter basket crochet kit. I'm going to charge through those after I get through. I had no intentions on doing Easter stuff, but I do have a couple of requests for I have this one I did a huge haul for. So I have Request on Peachy and Pinky. I gotta do those first. Then I'll probably do Chick-a-dee and Bunny Boo. So at least you'll get to see those. But these are gonna all be in between the other kits I have. I have Annie's, I have Dollar Tree, I have Innovative Design LLC. That's also from Five Below. It's a Stitch kit, Lilo and Stitch kit. So, at any rate, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.